Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export contacts from within your HubSpot portal. Now if you're familiar with HubSpot, you'll know HubSpot is great for many things. However, sometimes some efficiencies can be made in exporting your data into other systems. You'll be pleased to know that actually exporting your data from within your HubSpot portal is a very straightforward process, very much similar to exporting your company data or even tickets or deal data as well. In this example, we're going to be exporting contact data. So in order to get started, what you're going to want to do is head over to contacts and then the contact screen, which will bring up your overall database or a limited view depending on your HubSpot permissions. Something to point out is in order to import or export data from within your HubSpot portal, you will need sufficient user permissions from your HubSpot portal's admin. The first step you're going to want to take is you're going to want to filter the overall database view to the actual data you want to export, unless you're looking to export the entire contact database. In this example, I'm going to export my own contacts. However, you can filter this down by whatever filters or properties are within your entire HubSpot portal. If there's a contact property for it, there's a way to filter and export it out. Therefore, in order to get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to more filters. I'm going to find contact owner is any of me, select that, apply the filter, and you'll see that out of the 250 database records we had previously, it's filtered it down to what you're going to want to do then is make sure that the actual headings contain all the data you're wanting to export, or else it may be quite overwhelming exporting everything in one go. In order to customize the headers on the actual contact view, if you just head over to table actions and edit columns, what you can do is add more data that you're looking to export. So what I may want to do is just have a look. I may want to export the country these contacts are within, as well as the IP country, just to cross-reference that data as well. You can then drag and reorder this content to wherever you want that to sit in the actual export of the table and the company/contact record you're looking to export. Once that is done, just simply press apply, and you'll see that if you scroll across, it will then refresh, and you'll now see that the actual country and the IP country has been dragged across, and I can already start to see that there's some discrepancies within the data, meaning when I export it, what I see here is exactly what I'm going to export as well. Once you're happy with the filtered view in HubSpot, or the unfiltered if you're looking to export your entire database, simply press this checkbox in the top left, which will show you how many are selected. If the data spreads across numerous pages, it will come up with a blue bar saying only X amount of your contacts are selected, and then select all with a button with a linked piece of text next. Make sure you press select all if it's spread across numerous pages, or else you'll be exporting incomplete data sets. Once all the data you're looking to export has been selected, simply head over to table actions and export view. What you can do now is simply select the file format. So in this case, it's going to be a CSV. And what we can actually select now is with the records I've selected to export, what properties do I want to export? So do I want to export just the records and the headings that were on show? Or do I want to export the records and all the headings possibly that's stored within the HubSpot contacts account? So all the contact properties that exist within the HubSpot portal, do I want to export them all in one? Again, like I said on previous videos, if you're new to data and you're just doing this as a one-off task, I recommend going down the only properties in this view. Therefore, the data export won't be too overwhelming. However, if you're quite a data extraordinaire, I'd recommend pressing all properties because it means you will get every single contact property from within the portal exported within the export with it. For the sake of this example, I'm going to press only properties in this view to keep it simple. And what I'm going to do is if there's contacts with multiple email addresses, I'm going to include all of them because I want to make sure that I've got full oversight of the data I'm exporting. Again, the language is English, and then I'm going to press X. What it will do is it will then process the export file, and you'll receive an email as well as a pop-up such as this when the file is ready to download, which you can simply click and it will store it on your computer. If your data is quite large, it may take a few minutes to actually process, and in doing so, you may miss this pop-up. Your data notification will actually come into your notifications in the top right, where you can actually export it from there. And that's it. That's how to export your contact data from your HubSpot portal. Hopefully this video was help, and we'll look forward to seeing what's next.